Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make simple garlic pickle. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh garlic, vinegar, salt, and a touch of sugar. Begin by carefully peeling 2 to 3 heads of garlic, separating each clove. Next, sterilize your glass jar and its lid thoroughly to prevent any spoilage, ensuring a clean environment for your delicious pickle. Now, let's create the perfect brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of vinegar with 1/4 cup of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar until they dissolve completely. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, allowing the flavors to meld. Once boiled, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely before proceeding. With your brine cooled, it's time to assemble your garlic pickle. Carefully place all the peeled garlic cloves into your sterilized glass jar. Then, pour the prepared brine over the garlic, ensuring every clove is fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly with its lid. Store your pickle in a cool, dark place for at least 1 week to allow the flavors to develop beautifully. After about 1 week, your simple garlic pickle is ready to enjoy. Once opened, always refrigerate the jar to maintain freshness and extend its shelf life. This versatile pickle is fantastic with sandwiches, salads, or as a flavorful side dish. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.